We live in a fast-paced world where each day gets busier, and stress becomes a huge part of our daily routine. Living under prolonged stress leaves our psychological and emotional well-being vulnerable, and health progressively weakens. The human body possesses tremendous capacity to restore its health, yet, this potential often remains untapped in most of us. Let's explore an innovative approach towards health with the BodyTalk System, which focuses on healing the root causes of health issues, rather than just treating superficial symptoms. Releasing deep-seated root causes strengthens immunity while creating an environment for faster and complete recovery. BodyTalk is a holistic approach to health that aligns our physical, mental, emotional well-being and spiritual growth. Besides internal alignment, it is equally important to live in harmony with our environment. For, who and what we surround ourselves with, plays a crucial role in our health and meaning of life. To foster harmonious living with the environment, healthy boundaries is essential, so we won't attract toxic relationships that drains energy and jeopardizes sanity. It's even more important to recognize the significance of ancestral and cultural influences. How it affects our choices, values and beliefs, expectations, and in shaping who we are. We often underestimate this critical impact on how much it affects our mindset in managing stress and approach to life. Through advanced BodyTalk techniques, gentle touch, and light tapping, the BodyTalk practitioner taps into the intricate communication networks within our body-mind. During a session, the practitioner navigates the body's unique priorities, using the guidance of the protocol and procedure to establish the broken lines of communication and unprocessed traumatic experiences trapped in the body's energetic systems. These profound findings allows the body to heal entanglements, regulate hormonal imbalances, clear emotional blockages that hinder optimal health, in order to replenish vitality. When deep-rooted traumas are released, body restores balance, promoting growth and harmony, both internally and externally. BodyTalk offers long-term solution to health challenges, no matter how long, what age, background, and the intensity of it. Sessions are tailor-made, according to your body's priorities, offering a personalized and unique healing experience. If you're seeking to enhance immunity, understand triggers of stress, improve mental clarity, enhance emotional resilience, letting go limiting beliefs and self-doubts, break free from loops of recurring symptoms and inherited conditions, allow us to embark with you on a healing journey to transform and achieve wholeness and harmony with BodyTalk. Saving your precious time, money, and energy to avoid unnecessary trial and error treatments when seeking solutions to health, wealth and relationship matters. We invite you to embark on the journey of root cause healing with us. Visit our website at www.bodytalk.com.sg to learn more about the BodyTalk system, and to schedule your first session. Let's venture to live a healthier, happier, harmonious and fulfilling life.